So students, in the chapter number 18, pollution of air and water, okay, we read about the pollution. Today we are just briefing this chapter that what are the things which you have to keep in mind. First is about pollution. Okay, pollution is any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, water, and land that may be harmful to human life and others' life, living conditions, industrial processes, and cultural assets. Okay, so this is the pollution. Okay, if any undesirable means which we don't want, okay, which is harmful for us, undesirable change in the physical change can be in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air as well as water or land, okay, which may be harmful for the human life and other animal life also, okay, for the living conditions and industrial process and cultural assets. So now the next thing is coming, okay, pollution is harmful for us. So these there are some substances or agents which cause the pollution. These are known as pollutants. So the agents that pollute our environment are called pollutants. Pollutants are the substances which contaminate air and water. Contaminate means खराब करना या प्रदूषित करना, okay. So they are what contaminate our air and water. So that's why these are the agents which pollute our environment. Next is air pollution is the contamination of air by impurities which may have a harmful impact on the living organisms and the non-living components. Okay, so if we talk about now air pollution, it is the contamination of air, as the name suggests, air pollution by impurities which may have a harmful effect on the living organisms and the non-living components also. Okay, so there are some sources also of air pollution. First is natural sources. Okay, in natural sources, smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruptions. Okay, methane gas arising from decaying organic matter. So these are the natural ones. Okay, which occur in the nature. Okay, and they are naturally found. Okay, some are man-made also. Exhaust gases from factories, okay, power plants and automobiles, these are man-made, okay, which are not natural. And man-made sources are the main cause of that air pollution. If you talk about, okay, these are much harmful than that of natural one. Then carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide are the major pollutants of air. Increasing level of greenhouse gases like CO2 are leading to global warming. Okay, so these are the things which we summarize up the chapter now. Okay, so carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide are the major pollutants of air. And increasing level of, if you if anyone asks you about the global warming, you can say that increasing level of greenhouse gases, uh, what are the consequences of what are the, you can say that impact of global warming, why these are global warming happen nowadays, because of greenhouse gases are evolved in the greater amount. Okay, next is water pollution is the contamination of water by substances harmful to life. Now we move to the water pollution now. Sewage, agriculture, chemicals, and industrial waste are some of the major contaminants of water. Water which is purified and fit for drinking is known as potable water. Water is a precious natural resource. Okay, it is a precious natural resource. We must learn to conserve it. Okay, one more thing, interesting thing which you read in this chapter till now, greenhouse effect. Okay, greenhouse effect is Earth absorbs a part of sun's radiation and reflects back to the earth. Reflected radiation traps in atmosphere. This warms the earth. Okay, process enhanced by the increased amount of CO2 in atmosphere. Okay, mainly if you see the sudden increase in the temperature of earth is known as global warming. Okay, these are related to the greenhouse effect if we talk about it. Okay, so as you know that greenhouse gases, what the function of greenhouse gases, they just trap the energy, okay, solar energy. I'm sharing with you. So students, when we talk about the global warming, okay, how it actually happened, now we have to understand. Okay, suppose this is the sun, okay, this is sun and rays are coming to the ground from it. Okay, okay, this is the our earth, you can understand by it. Okay, the earth surface, and these rays are reaching to the earth and then evaporate. Okay, then what you can then give goes back to the atmosphere again. Okay, so what the role of these greenhouse gases? Okay, they just trap these rays, they trap these rays in the atmosphere. Suppose this is CO2 is here, okay, and it trap these rays and they can't go back into the atmosphere. Okay, so that's why they live in our environment, that's why they increasing the temperature. Okay, nowadays you also feel that in winter days, nowadays is winter, but whenever, okay, whenever the sun is rising, okay, when there is no cloud in the sky, so you can say that much of hot weather is occurring, okay, till here nowadays also. So this is these are the consequences of the global warming. Okay, so I hope you understand this chapter well now. Okay, so now we will discuss about some question and answers. The answer of this: air is a mixture of various gases. One of the gases is 21% part of the air and is essential for the survival of human beings. This gas is, so the right answer of it, oxygen. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is not a source of air pollution? Automobile exhaust, windmill, burning of firewood, power plant. Automobile is a source of that. Okay, windmill, पवन चक्की, जिससे पहले आटा बनता था, windmill. Okay, okay, now understand that windmill is regarded as the alternative source of energy. Okay, air energy, we utilize that air energy into to make the pulses or etc things. Okay, next, Bhujo wishes to contribute in reducing air pollution. Which vehicle should he use for going to school? Car, school bus, auto rickshaw, or scooter? In place of Bhujo, you can understand yourself. Hmm. Good. Okay. So it is very easy question. School bus. Okay. For reducing pollution. Okay. In a school bus, instead of one children, many students or many children can be come. Okay. So that's why school bus is a safe option. Next, which of the following is not a way to conserve water? Replace, reuse, reduce, or recycle? Very easy. Okay, it is very easy. Replace. Okay, because replace करना क्या हो गया, बदल देना हो गया उसका स्थान, तो कंजर्व कहाँ से होगा वाटर. ओके, रिप्लेस इज नॉट ऑप्शन. रियूज, रिड्यूस एंड रिसाइकल, तीन आर बोलते हैं ना, 3 आर. ठीक है, 3 आर में से ये तीनों आर जो है, इसमें हमें कोई भी चीज़, चाहे हम एनवायरनमेंट की किसी भी चीज़ की बात करें, कागज़ की बात हम करते हैं, उसमें क्या आता है, रिड्यूस. ओके, जितना कम हो सके उसका प्रयोग करना. रीयूज़ करना, ठीक है, दोबारा से यूज़ करना जितना हो सके उसे अच्छे से. रिसाइकल करना उसको, फिर लास्ट में रिसाइकल करके दोबारा यूज़ करना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, द टाइप ऑफ पॉल्यूशन विच इज़ लाइकली टू अफेक्ट ताजमहल इन आगरा टू अ ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट इज. ओके, किस टाइप का पोल्यूशन जो है ताजमहल को सबसे ज़्यादा मात्रा में जो इफेक्ट कर रहा है? एयर पोल्यूशन, सॉइल पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन और नॉइज पोल्यूशन. कौन सा पोल्यूशन? यस, गुड. Air pollution is the right answer. Next is incomplete combustion of fuels such as petrol and diesel gives. जब इनकम्प्लीट कम्बशन होगा किसी भी फ्यूल का, ओके, पूरी तरह से नहीं जलेगा कोई भी ईंधन फ्यूल, सो क्या निकलता है उसमें से? नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड या कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? which gas is released? It is carbon monoxide, students. Okay, whenever there is incomplete whenever incomplete combustion, we read about the chapter in combustion also. Okay, incomplete combustion of any wood or any these type of fuel, petrol and diesel or kerosene occur. Okay, it always gives the carbon monoxide. Next one, the phenomenon of marble cancer is due to. Phenomenon of marble cancer is due to soot particles, fog, CFCs, or acid rain. No. Huh. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. It is acid rain. Okay, marble cancer is related to the. You can say that if we talk about the air pollution or the yellowing of the marbles of Taj Mahal. Okay, is also called as marble cancer. Good. Next, potable water is the water which is obtained from a river, pure and fit for drinking, obtained from a lake, or used only for washing clothes. Potable water means, this is also right, very easy question. It means potable water is the water which is pure and fit for drinking. Okay, we already understand that potable water. Next question is, which of the following procedures will give you water free from all impurities? Adding chlorine tablets, boiling or distillation or filtration. Ninth question, निम्न में से कौन सी विधि हम अपनाएं? ओके, विच प्रोसीजर वी हैव टू फॉलो दैट सारी इम्प्योरिटीज जो हैं पानी की वो निकल जाए, उसमें से कोई भी इम्प्योरिटी ना रहे. ओके, so boiling is very good option. Next is, a pond contains clean water. Which of the following activities will produce least pollution of water? Least pollution of water की बात कर रहा है. Washing clothes in the pond, animals bathing in the pond, washing motor vehicles in the pond, or swimming in the pond. Swimming in the pond is create least pollution of water. Understood? Because if you wash clothes, okay, it contains more impurities in comparison to swimming of a person. You have to relate these things, na? We have to choose the very right answer. Animals bathing in the pond also, okay, it is harmful. Then washing motors vehicles also, okay, but swimming is in considered, okay, as considered to the above three, okay, options. D option is the right one. Next, trees help in reducing the pollution of our environment. Okay, lakhs of trees are planted by people in the month of July every year. The occasion is called. Okay, this question is very important for your competition exams also. Forest Conservation Day, One Mahotsav or Plantation Month or Wildlife Week. जुलाई में आपने जब मनाया भी होगा आप जुलाई में इसको. Okay, if you go to the school whenever, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, पेड़ लगाते हैं बहुत सारे, इन स्कूलों में भी देखा होगा आप लोगों ने. इट इज कॉल्ड वन महोत्सव. ओके, इसको वन महोत्सव कहा जाता है. ओके, जिसमें जुलाई में ये फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई को मनाया जाता है. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे पेड़ जो है लगाए जाते हैं. ओके, टू सेव आवर एनवायरमेंट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ ग्रीन हाउस गैस? नाइट्रोजन गैस, मीथेन गैस, वाटर वेपर और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाइट्रोजन गैस क्या है? वो ग्रीन हाउस गैस में नहीं आता है. It is not a greenhouse gas. Okay. Now I am asking you very short answer type questions. First one is, name the chemicals which are used in refrigerators and air conditioners and damage ozone layer when released in air. Right answer is chlorofluorocarbons. Okay, it damages the ozone layer when reached to the ozone layer. Next question is, name any two sources which cause air pollution due to suspended particulate matter. SPM. Name any two sources which cause air pollution due to suspended particulate matter. So answer is first one is, if you say, okay, automobiles. Okay, in automobiles petrol and diesel are burned which contain these SPM, suspended particulate matter. First one automobile, second one is industrial areas. Okay, industrial activities you can say. Okay, such as making of tin. Okay, which also uh, source of the suspended particulate matter. Okay, next one, name two gases which are mainly responsible for acid rain. It is very easy question. Yes, you are nearly right, but the name you have to pronounce well. These are sulfur dioxide, SO2. SO2 means sulfur, 2 O2 means dioxide, and NO2. NO2 means nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so these are two gases. Okay, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Next question, the quality of air at various locations is monitored regularly by government and other agencies. In what way can you use these data? So you can use this data to make aware people about air pollution. Okay, suppose in any location of your village, okay, the quantity of by using the data you can understand how much air pollution is happening in your area, so you can make people aware about the air pollution. Okay, next is, combustion of fossil fuels generates a lot of air pollution. Can you suggest any two alternative sources of energy which do not cause any pollution? Two alternatives. So combustion of fossil fuels, okay, generate a lot of air pollution, as you know, but wind energy and solar energy, okay, the energy which is coming from sun, okay, these are non-pollutant. Okay, two alternative sources of energy are, first one is what you say, wind energy, and second is solar energy. Next one is, name any two water pollutants which are toxic for plants and animals. So arsenic and lead. Okay, students, arsenic and As is written in its symbolic form, and lead, Pb. Okay, so arsenic and lead are two toxic pollutants. Okay, these are two water pollutants which can be toxic for plants and animals. Okay, now I am asking some fill in the blanks questions. When air is contaminated by test substances which have a dash effect on both the dash and the dash is referred to as. 21. So when air is contaminated by harmful substances which have a no, when air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have a harmful effect on both the living and non-living, it is referred to as air pollution. Okay, so these are the questions which are to do. Next is, Okay, I'm asked the question because it's not possible to see. Okay, I'm share it was. इसको शेयर करते हैं आपसे. 21st B. Many deaths are responsible for causing pollution. Petroleum are a major source of pollutants like ant. Okay, these are given in brackets. With the help of these, you have to give the answer. Read and give the answer. Many deaths are responsible for causing.
So many industries are responsible.
Hmm. Hmm.
Gases are responsible. So many gases are responsible for air pollution.
For causing air pollution. Okay. Uh, Go ahead. Pet,
Petroleum refineries are
petroleum refineries are a major source of.
air pollutants
Hmm.
like
Like
nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide.
mhm. You got little bit as you already told na many what are responsible for causing. First, what you say? Many industries are responsible for causing air pollution. Okay, refineries are a major source of. एयर तो पहले आ गया ना एयर causing air pollution कह रहे हो गैसियस पोल्यूटेंट्स
Water
पॉल्यूटेंट्स की
pollution.
बात कर रहा है पोल्यूशन नहीं कह रहा पॉल्यूटेंट्स कह रहा है पॉल्यूटेंट्स यानी कि गैसियस पॉल्यूटेंट्स लाइक गैसियस पॉल्यूटेंट्स अभी हमने कहा था ना सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड और नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड तो लाइक के बाद आ जाएगा सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड so source of these are the source of gaseous pollutants okay पेट्रोलियम जो रिफाइनरीज होती हैं वो भी जो है गैसियस पोल्यूटेंट्स का मेन सोर्स है नेक्स्ट वन while your teeth leaving a dash running waste material of water
So while brushing your teeth, leaving the tap running may waste several liters of water.
good next one hmm
Drinking
hmm
is called potable water. Drinking is called potable
hmm
water.
good potable water next one looks clean still has disease carrying and impurities hmm tell yes
Microorganisms.
hmm good water which looks clean still has disease carrying microorganisms and dissolved impurities डिजॉल्व इम्प्योरिटीज होगी ना जो उसमें घुली हुई होती है दिखती नहीं है ओके डिजॉल्व इम्प्योरिटीज ओके वन शॉर्ट ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन भी कर लेते हैं थोड़ा टाइम बचा है A lot of dry leaves are collected in a school garden and are burned every day. Do you think that it is right to do so? If not, what should be done to dispose of the dry leaves? So, tell it is right or not? Why?
because when we burn dry leaves, it causes air pollution.
It causes air pollution. So what should be done to dispose of the dry leaves? What can we do?
So we should dig a hole
So
on the
we
ground
should dig
and
a hole in the
the
ground.
dry
Hmm.
So we should dig a hole in the ground and we
So what we can do? Okay, we can bury. Okay, we can bury them inside soil. Okay, and make it's a compost. Okay, compost make. We have to make the compost. Okay, by burying the drying leaves into the soil. Very good. Okay, so these are the questions which we discussed today. Okay, next class we will discuss about the new chapters. Okay, uh,